Hello students, welcome to Standard 10 Physics online class. Students, in this online class, we are going to learn compound microscope. Compound microscope is an instrument used to see the tiny objects, and also we can able to see the microorganisms. Students, compound microscope has better magnification power than simple microscope. The magnification power of microscopes can be increased by decreasing the focal length of the lens used. And also due to constructional limitations, the focal length of the lens cannot be decreased beyond certain limit. So this problem can be solved by using two separate biconvex lens. Construction of compound microscope. Compound microscope consists of two convex lenses. The lens with the shorter focal length is placed near the object. The AB, the red color line, which is mean for object, and then it is called as objective lens or the objective. Students, working of compound microscope. So first we have to draw the principal axis. And then here we are going to draw a first lens. And then I am going to place the object A, B. Students, this is the first lens with a shorter focal length is placed near the object AB, and also it is known as objective lens or objective piece. For image formation, you have to follow the two rules. For ray 1, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis. So this line is principal axis. The ray which is parallel to the principal axis after refraction will go through the principal focus. And then second ray, the ray which is go through the optic center without any deviation, it goes on continue. So we will get the image here at this point, and then this image will be real and inverted. So very important, this image will be real and inverted. So B dash, A dash. Students, very important, the image will formed on the other side of the objective lens. So this is the objective lens. The image A dash, B dash will form on the other side of the objective lens. Students, now I am going to draw another lens which is known as eye lens. So you know that compound microscope consists of two lenses. One is known as objective lens, which is placed near the object, and then another one is eye lens, which is placed near the eye. Here this A dash and B dash, the image behave as the object for the eye lens. So the position of eye lens is adjusted such a way that the image A dash, B dash falls within the principal focus of the eyepiece. For image formation, we have to follow the two rules. For ray 1, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis after refraction will go through the principal focus, and then for second ray, the ray which is goes through optic center O without any deviation, it goes on continue. Students, here the two rays are diverging each other. So we are going to extend the diverging rays. So we are going to extend the diverging rays. So if you extend the diverging rays, it will meet at a particular point. So this point is the image A double dash and B double dash. The lens with a larger focal length and a larger aperture placed near the observer eye is called eye lens or eyepiece. Both the lenses are fixed in a narrow tube with adjustable provision. Students, here the eyepiece form a virtual enlarged and erect image A double dash and B double dash on the same side of the object. So the compound microscope has 50 to 200 times more magnification power than simple microscope. Students, let me once again shortly recall about the compound microscope. So compound microscope is used to see tiny object. Students, compound microscope consists of two lenses. So one is objective lens which is placed near the object AB, and then second one is eye lens which is placed near the eyepiece. And then so first we are going to place the object near the objective lens. So here image will form on the another side. So this B dash, A dash is the image for the first lens, objective lens. So it form on the another side. It is real inverted enlarged image, and then this image A dash B dash will form as the object for the eye lens. Students, by adjusting the position of the eye lens, so by adjusting the position of the eye lens such a way that the image A dash B dash falls within the principal focus of eyepiece. So these eyepiece form a virtual, see here, virtual enlarged erect image. So erect meaning straight image, virtual meaning the divergence ray which extend and meet at a particular point is known as virtual, and then it is enlarged when compared to A dash B dash image. A double dash B double dash image is very high, so that is known as enlarged image, is formed on the same side of the lens. See here, so eye lens is placed here, the enlarged image is formed same side of the lens. Students, this is important one mark question. Compound microscope has 50 to 200 times more magnification power than simple microscope. Our next topic is traveling microscope. Traveling microscope is one of the best instrument for measuring very small length with a high degrees of accuracy at the order of 0.01 millimeter. So very important one mark question. Traveling microscope can able to measure up to 0.01 millimeter, and then it works on the principle of vernier caliper, and then its least count is 0.01 millimeter. So what is mean by least count? The measurement which is very least in that particular instrument is known as least count. Dear students, we discussed three types of microscope: simple microscope, compound microscope and a traveling microscope. So among the three, compound microscope is very important 7-mark question. So first you have to read compound microscope and then simple microscope, and then traveling microscope is 2-mark question. Students, up to microscope topic enough. Remaining topic we will discuss in our next online class. Thank you. Have a nice day.